Did you accidentally delete an important email and can't find it? Recover any trashed message in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to find your trash folder, how to search for specific emails, and how to empty it all at once. Start by heading over to the Gmail homepage. Then, on the left sidebar, scroll down and click More to reveal additional folders. Now click on Trash to open your deleted emails. You can browse through the list or use the search bar to find a specific message. Once you spot the email you need, just click on it to view its contents. If you want to clear out all the trash, click Empty Trash Now at the top. A confirmation dialog will appear. Go ahead and click OK to permanently delete everything. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.